Field is set. Drivers are behind the lines. In 3, 2, 1, rush!
Here we go with quarterfinals number 3. We've got a robot springing to life on both sides. The Technological Terrors and Test Team making their way into the auto zone for red. 222, the Tigertrons. Just off the mark for getting autonomous points for a robot set. So we're going to go right into teleoperated mode. Team 1811 Fresh, they're receiving litter from their human player and placing that recycling container onto the scoring platform for safekeeping. Those recycling containers only count for points when scored on top of a tote stack. Meanwhile, 1257, the Captain's Parallel Universe, they're stacking up. They've got 2 right now in their control, feeding in more from the human player. Meanwhile, 222 Tigertrons over on the Red Alliance. They've got 4 totes in the moment, loading in a 5th with a recycling container on top. That's the human player sticking litter inside of the recycle container. Meanwhile, 303, their partner, the Test Team, the Alliance Captain, they've got 1, 2, 3 totes in the moment with a recycle container on top of that. 1923 Midnight Inventors, they've been tackling that landfill for the Blue Alliance, and they get a 3-tote stack with 1 minute to go on the Blue Alliance as Parallel Universe caps it off, and another 2-tote stack with a recycling container. Over on the Red Alliance, we've got 303 placing a 4-tote stack in position. They're clear, that's good for 30 points. 222, that's the creme de la creme. A 6-tote stack capped off with a full recycling container for 42 points for the Red Alliance. 30 seconds remaining in this match. 1923 Midnight Inventors able to place another 3-tote stack on the blue scoring platform. 1257 able to cap yet another recycling container onto tote stack. That whistle means we've got 20 seconds. Team 303 and 222. Test Team, they're trying to get with 10 seconds remaining. Test puts another 2 totes out. With 6 seconds, can the Tigertron score onto the platform for red? With 2 seconds, 1. It'll be close. We'll wait for our referee's decision. With the scores from quarterfinal match 3, Red Alliance shoots to the top of our leaderboard with 84 points. The Blue Alliance comes away with 64 points. That puts them in 4th on our leaderboard. Remember, if you take a look, after 2 quarterfinals, the top 4 teams will advance onto the semifinals indicated in green.